We'll guide you through how to download and install Telegram on your PC or laptop. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, go and open up a web browser and you need to go and search for Telegram, just like so, and go to Telegram Messenger or telegram.org, that's the site. At the top, you then need to go and click on Apps, and you want to go and locate Desktop Apps and click on Telegram for Windows /Mac/Linux, and you can then click on Get Telegram for Windows. It will then go and start downloading and you need to go and wait. After it's finished downloading, you can close off your web browser and open up your downloads in your file explorer. Find the setup file and double click on it. Now you need to go and choose the language. I use English, so I can press OK. You can then choose where it's installed, that's fine with me. You can choose where you want the shortcuts, so I leave that there. And you can then choose if you want a desktop shortcut, which I will, and we'll then click install. And it's now finished. And what you can do is have Telegram launch now, which I want to. It's super quick to set up. Click on start messaging. And then what you can do is log in with your phone number or open up the app and go and scan it. In this case, I'll just quickly go and scan it with my phone, just like so, and it's that quick. I've now gone and signed in and I can go and use Telegram on my computer.